Imagine this. You finally get your visa approved, you're ready to travel, and then you find out it's been revoked. For many F-1 students in 2025, this nightmare scenario has happened. But don't panic. In this video, we'll break down why visas get revoked, what you should do next, and how to protect your future travel plans. Visa revocation means your visa already approved and stamped is officially canceled by the U.S. Department of State. It doesn't always mean you're banned from entering the U.S., but it does mean you'll need to take action before traveling again. There are a few key reasons why this happens. Security concerns new information about background checks, change of status, like dropping out of school if you're on F-1, violation of conditions, working without authorization, overstaying in the past, or incorrect documents. Administrative errors. Sometimes a mistake in paperwork or a system update triggers revocation. Policy changes. Sudden immigration updates can affect certain visa holders in 2025. You might find out through an official email from the U.S. Embassy or consulate, a notice when you check your visa status online, or being stopped at the airport when attempting to enter the U.S. If your visa is revoked, don't panic. Revocation doesn't always mean denial forever. Contact your designated school official, DSO, immediately if you're on an F-1 visa. They can advise on your SEVIS record. Check the revocation reason. Was it security, paperwork, or policy related? This helps you plan your response. Reapply for a new visa. In many cases, you'll need to schedule a fresh visa interview at the consulate. Prepare stronger documents. Bring proof of your financials, enrollment, and ties back to your home country. Consult an immigration attorney. If you think it's unfair or unclear, legal advice can help prevent future issues. For F-1 students in 2025, here are 3 key things to remember. Stay full-time enrolled. Dropping below required credits can trigger issues. Don't work illegally. Only authorized on-campus work or OPT/CPT counts. Keep documents valid. Your passport, I-20, and SEVIS fees must all be up to date. If your visa was revoked while you're abroad, don't attempt to board a flight to the U.S. until you resolve it. Airlines can deny boarding and U.S. Customs will turn you away. Instead, reapply or consult your embassy before making plans. So yes, visa revocations are stressful, but they're not the end of your journey. Know the reasons, respond quickly, and reapply with stronger documentation. If you're on an F-1 visa in 2025, remember, follow the rules, keep your status valid, and stay prepared. Subscribe for more immigration and travel tips. Have you or someone you know experienced visa revocation? Share your story in the comments. I'd love to hear it.